Hey guys, how you going? I hope you're having a good night. I thought I'd just do a really quick video. Oh, everybody wants spiders here, so I thought I would make a couple up, show you. I mean, they're really easy, but they are beautiful. So you pick your favourite vanilla ice cream. Alright, and you put all your ice cream in. Then you pick your favourite fizzy drink. So, alright, I'm making 3 for... One wants big sarsaparilla. Just slowly pour it over. Alright, it's not supposed to do that, of course. Let it slowly, see how it's slowly going down. Alright, let that go for a minute. Do the next one. The little one wants raspberry, of course. Just slowly pour it over it. Oh look, these are amazing drink and dessert all in one. Like, come on, it doesn't get much better than this. And it's a pretty cheap munchie. And look how amazing they look when they start slowly going down. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love pineapple. Chuck in your straws. Oh, these are so yummy. These are great in summer or winter, it don't matter. But they are so yummy. Check that out, guys, hey? There you have it. That's all the spider is. A really good quality vanilla ice cream with whatever flavoured fizzy drink you want. Kids and adults both love them. I hope you all have a really good night, and see you later.